Hi, LB here from the Dartmouth Student Wellness Center. I'll be guiding you through a briefer, lighter rain practice than the other one that's on our website. This is also inspired by the work that Tara Brach, a renowned meditation teacher, has done. So next time that you find yourself just with incessant worry, planning that you just can't seem to get out of, comparing yourself to others, drained by the demands and challenges and the uncertainty of life. This could be a really helpful practice just to allow yourself to slow down, to check in, to acknowledge, and find some distance from those really challenging times. So, no further ado, I'll invite you to come into a comfortable seated posture. Eyes can remain open. You're welcome to gently let them close, whatever is most comfortable for you. And we'll begin by just first recognizing whatever it is that you're feeling, what's going on for you right now, particularly if it's a bit uncomfortable. Are you feeling overwhelmed, worried, scared, anxious? Whatever it is, acknowledge it, that it's here. And as best as you can, try to allow whatever is happening to happen. You don't need to like it, but taking away the need to judge or fix or control whatever is happening in any way. It might feel nice to take a couple of deep breaths while saying to yourself, yes, this is happening. I'm feeling overwhelmed, tired, lonely, anxious, whatever it is. Letting it be. And then investigating with this sense of kind curiosity, what does this challenging feeling feel like in your body? Is there physical tightness or tension? Is there pulsation or heat building anywhere? What happens when you notice that in your body? How is this affecting beliefs about yourself? Is it telling you you can't handle something, that you're not enough in some way? Just noticing. And then exploring what arises when you ask yourself, what do I need most right now? Is it taking a couple more deep breaths or placing a hand on your heart? Is it offering yourself kind words of encouragement? Something like, you've been here before, you've done this, you can do this. Maybe it's reaching out to a loved one or a friend. Maybe it's making an intention to give yourself the time and space to do something that's just for you. Whatever it is, trusting yourself that you know what you need most. Whatever it is, whether it's doing it right now or later, allowing yourself to sink into this act with full awareness, and allowing yourself to be nurtured, to be cared for, to recharge yourself for whatever lies ahead of you. You're welcome to stay here for as long as you need. But as you're ready to move forward with your day, you can open your eyes if they're closed, to thank yourself, and to know that you can bring this light rain into many moments of your day whenever it calls to you. I wish you a day filled with peace and comfort. Till next time, bye-bye.